Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add Best Network to Trust Wallet. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter yourself a passcode. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see two circle icon. Tap on that. And you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now there you can see all networks. You can simply tap on that. Now here you can search for the base. Now, if you can't see it, then you can simply go at the search bar and search for it. After that, simply tap on it. Here now you can choose the crypto or manage the crypto according to your preference. In order to manage it, you need to simply toggle up the button. For example, I will go for the first one. Likewise, you can choose according to your preference. After you are done, you can simply go back. And now if you go there and you check it, then you'll notice that it has been added to your crypto. And this is how you add Best Network to Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.